Hi everyone, welcome back to Scrapping Scotland. Thanks for joining me today. Great to have all you guys back watching another video. Today I'm going to take apart this motor and I'm going to take it apart with this axe. Okay, anything sharp like this will get you through these motors, and it's an easier way to extract these crowns. Okay, so we're going to cut it in half and then we're going to take the crowns out of the side. Now, to start it off, I like to use my little machete. Okay, the reason I use this is because I don't want to really blunt the axe. So if we make a start with the machete, then we'll create a groove and then we can use the axe. So a quick couple of taps. As you can see, goes in nice and easy. Creates that little gap. We just get rid of this. And then we bring in the axe. Okay, now a big axe, you need a big hammer. Now the problem with that is it's making the whole desk jump. So let's relocate. As in tradition in Scotland, as soon as you want to walk outside, it starts to rain. Alright, so we've got a bit of stone here to lean it on, just so I don't ruin my slabs. And let's get through this. Two halves of a stator with copper inside. And there's the rain I was talking about, guys. It's coming down. Good for the rhododendrons. Okay, so next we need to get this lovely copper out of here. So how are we going to do that? Let's stick it in the vise. One out. One to go. On this way. Okay, number 2 out. Yeah, as you can see, starters trying to break apart, which is making that a little bit more difficult to get out. And here is our copper. And now we'll clean this up and snip all this little rope off it. Sometimes you also get lucky with these things and you cut the right point. And when you cut it, you can actually just pull it and it releases itself. As you can see, you get the right bit, it unwraps nice and easy. Just like that. Still got to get this bit off though. Okay, again, other side. So cut at the right point, then we can just start unwinding it. No need for cutting, no need for blades. Cut it at one point, so a slight need for cutting because you have to cut it at one point, and then just unwrap it. Easy. Beautiful copper. Okay folks, now we just need to find out what it weighed. Let's weigh the stator first. Shred steel. That's 7 pounds and 1 ounce. Now let's weigh the copper. Okay, delicately balanced. We have 1,214.3 grams. That's 2 pounds, 10 ounces, 0.8. Okay guys, that's going to be it for another episode of Scrapping Scotland for this week. Thank you as always for tuning in. If you liked the video then please do hit that thumbs up and help the video out. And if you're not subscribed to the channel then please do hit that subscribe button guys. Love to see you all coming along on these scrapping journeys with me. This will be the last video guys for a couple of weeks just because I am going out to Germany to follow the Tartan Army and Scotland in the European Championships football. So maybe I'll do a little bit of a video diary when I'm there, a little bit of update when I'm abroad to show you guys kind of the atmosphere that I'll be involved in. For now guys, thank you very much as always and we'll see you next time on Scrapping Scotland.